So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about Medmen and why I sold Medmen and used that as funds to buy iAnthus. I haven't used the 100% of the fund because iAnthus may continue to drop, and I don't know when the bleeding will stop. But my reasoning behind the reason why I bought iAnthus over Medmen is when we look at the RSI level, it's at 22. iAnthus is a lot less diluted than Madman, and 6 months ago, or maybe 1 year ago, this stock was almost $8, and now it's $1.73. So the return on investment compared to Madman is a lot higher because this stock is not diluted. It has 154 million shares. 173 million shares, and it's fully diluted. It has about 250 million shares, while Medman has about almost half a billion shares of diluted shares in the company. And then once they acquire PharmaCann, that would push that up to 700 million shares or more than that, or even 800 million shares. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a lot. So Medman is extremely diluted. Yes, Madman can go up to $4, but so can iAnthus. If Madman goes up to $4, iAnthus is not going to sit there and be like, we're going to stay at $1.73. If Madman goes up to $4, iAnthus will go up to $5 or $6. That's my opinion only. Because iAnthus has a less diluted market cap. And right now the RSI level is literally on 20. It could go down further. Like I said, I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking it's gonna have a bounce soon. I'm not gonna sell. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna swing trade this. No, I'm gonna leave it because the return on investment is ridiculous. If this stock goes back to $8, that would be a 4 times return on investment. You would 400% your money. That is ridiculous. That is very hard to do, and I believe that the cannabis space does jump back. iAnthus will move up with the entire space, and right now I think it's a discount of a lifetime. That's what I think. That's just my opinion. So yeah. Medman has, if we look at the stock of Medman, yes, it has went all the way up to around $9, but after that it kind of stayed flat for a long time. So and on top of that, they are way more diluted than iAnthus. So if you were to buy Medman, you would gamble on its future. Like honestly, right? Like how I buy stocks, or I gamble on this future. I think iAnthus is a good takeout target. I think Aurora or Afria would want to buy out iAnthus because they are a multi-state operator, and it would really help the company if they got bought out. But Madman, I think Madman could get bought out. But Madman, you'd be gambling on the branding. You would gamble on the management. I think iAnthus has better management than Madman. But again, that's my opinion only. So, we'll see what happens in the future. But, I don't know. I don't know the future. But I honestly think that iAnthus is a much better return on investment than Madman. That's why I sold my Madman at a loss to buy iAnthus, because I could wait for Medman to go up, but at the same time, if Medman goes up, I think iAnthus will go up with it. So, and I think iAnthus is easily a much better return on investment than Medman. At least that's my opinion. Harvest Health is also extremely good deal, but again, it could go down lower. Madman Harvest Health. Right now, we look at the chart. It is starting to become oversold, so it can still go down more. It is out of the Bollinger Band, so I'm thinking it'll bounce around, but at the end of the day, it can still go down more because the RSI level is only at 29. let's look at Medmen's RSI level. It's about 25. So iAnthus is the better deal at the moment. At least that's my opinion. Curaleaf, Curaleaf, you could buy Curaleaf. Curaleaf does look like a discount, but the best return on investment right now you would get is a double on Curaleaf, while Harvest is 3 times. But if Harvest goes to $3, that is 4 times. I don't know if it'll go to $3, but your return on investment is so ridiculous if it went to $3. If it went back to $12, you would 4 times your money. If it went to $15, you would 5 times your money. So yeah, I do hope Harvest goes down more. Like at the moment, I do own a lot of shares, but I don't care. Like I'm down money. I'm losing money, and I'm probably gonna continue to lose money, and maybe even more and more and more. But at the end of the day, that's the risk I take for holding on to the stock. I choose to bang hold the stock, and I'm probably gonna lose more money, but when the stock price goes down to $3, I'm definitely going to be buying some more shares. I do hope it goes down to $3. At this point, I don't even care if the stock bounces back. I would rather have it go down. I would rather have short sellers just keep selling, keep buying, keep shorting the stock to $3. I would love it, because I would definitely load up on it. I choose to believe that Harvest is a solid company. I look at the insiders. There hasn't been any insider selling or insider trading at all. It seems, and like overall from all my research, it seems like a solid company. And when it does make $200 million of revenue per quarter, I think the stock price is going to be a lot higher. Right now, they're making $78 million of revenue per quarter. And then once they're fully diluted, it'll be about 500 million shares. So at $3, that's about $1.5 billion for a company that makes $200 million. I don't think it's going to sit at, $3 for too long if it does go to $3. But, I do hope it goes down to $3. I have money to buy it, and I would love to see it go down to $3. But at the end of the day, I don't know if it will. So, crossing my fingers. So, like I said, it's not oversold yet. It's only at 29 RSI level. So, it can go down lower. Curaleaf, I'm probably, if it goes down to around $5, I might buy some more shares. But if Kira goes down to $5, Harvest will definitely go down to $3. That's my opinion. True Eve is a solid company, but it's too expensive compared to the other players. I mean, True Eve, I think, is one of the safest cannabis companies in the United States right now. They are literally making, they're the only company that's making a huge amount of profit, and they expect to grow that in the 2020, and when Florida becomes legal, True Eve is going to really bloom and make a lot of money for investors. That's what I believe. But again, we'll see if that actually happens though. But I really do believe that if Florida becomes federally legal, True Eve will make a ton of money for shareholders. So GTI, Green Thumb Industries, up 24 cents. Not too much to say about that. Cresco Labs, Green Thumb, I don't know if it's a solid company or not, but it's $11 right now, and the best you can hope for is a double on this company. So I don't even know why retail investors would invest into this company when there's clearly investments out there that will double, triple, quadruple your money. And at the end of the day, you're in the cannabis space to make money. That's the reason why you're here. So yeah, Cresco is not too bad. Cresco Labs is not too bad, but it's still, $7, $6. You could more than double your money. If you like Cresco Labs, it's not too bad, but at the end of the day, I do hope it goes down lower. I hope we see it go all the way down to $5.73. Then you would triple your money if it goes to $15. Slang. I think Slang is a huge return on investment. I think rich people are doing the opposite. They're shorting the crap out of Slang because they are pissed off at Bruce Linton, maybe. So they're shorting the crap out of Slang. That's what I think that's happening right now. I think Slang worldwide is just getting hammered on by shorts. That's what I think is happening. But it looks like a really attractive price point because it's at 55 cents. This stock price used to be at $2.63. So this is a 5 times return on investment if it goes back to $2.50. I don't know if it will. Maybe when the United States become fairly legal, you might have to hold it for a few years. I mean, that's the whole point of being a long-term investor, right? Right now is a good time to accumulate some of these companies, in my opinion. I think, Slang is not bad. It doesn't mean that Slang couldn't drop to 25 cents. At 25 cents, that would be a ridiculous return on investment. That would be like, 10 times return on investment if it ever goes back to $2. I would definitely gamble on it at 25 cents or 20 cents. I think right now it's not bad too. So, there was some, I don't know if I guess I'll share this, but there was some conversion in shares, but I think this is because they changed their the A-class voting shares into common shares. So that's the reason why there's transaction on the Canadian Insider. Aurora after hours. This is 1 hour after the market close. Is down a penny. Aurora has basically hit his brand new 52-week. It's making new 52-week lows, but it's gone down further than it was when it was here. So moving forward, I don't know. If it ever went back to $2, oh my god, that would be a extreme bargain. But because I still believe in Aurora, and I think that if it ever went back to $2, that would just be ridiculously oversold. But it's very close to it. It's only $2 away, so that's a possibility. I know some people who bought at like $8, $7, and now they're very butthurt. But that's their fault for gambling in the cannabis market. They could have asked me, hey, should I buy Aurora? Nope, they just went out and they bought it themselves. So I mean, I would have said wait till $6 at least, $6 Canadian dollars for something US. I think right now it's a little bit oversold, but hey, it could go down lower. Short sellers are aggressive, they're rich, and they can short the crap out of Aurora. I bet you Aurora is like shorted to hell right now. So I think it's a perfect opportunity to pick up, if you want to save a company, definitely Canopy. Brand new 52-week low. We haven't seen these prices, $21. I think Canopy is ridiculously on sale right now. I mean, it could go down lower. We could see it go back to $14. That would put Aurora at like $2, but that would make it a ridiculous opportunity. I don't know, but at the end of the day, it's gambling right now because it could go lower, but the rewards is you could more than double your money on Canopy because it went all the way up to around $49 or $50. So you would 2.5 times more your money. You would more than double your money for sure at these prices if it went back to 52-week highs. Aphria, I think the only reason why it's even down here right now is because the entire sector is just under pressure right now. But if Aphria went back to its 52-week high of around $15 or even $17, you would triple your money right now. So I think Aphria is a killer deal. I think I think if you compare the asset to the market cap, the value of it it's justified, and it's on a huge discount. It's not gonna go bankrupt. It has $600 million on its balance sheet. It has 110,000 kilograms of production, and it has another 130,000 of kilograms of production that is on its way. Hopefully, Health Canada, please Health Canada, we need some kind of catalyst for this market. So please approve of Afria Diamond so we can see some green in the market, because so many people are butthurt right now. Kron is up 4 cents after hours. Tilray is neutral. I mean, Tilray has gone down to, it broke its 52-week low of $23.71. I don't know if it'll go down lower, but I honestly believe that if the cannabis market rallies back, Tilray will rally with the market. The market today was down, red, and ugly, and after pre-markets is still kind of ugly. So yeah, it doesn't look too good right now. We'll see what happens. October is supposed to be a bad month for the stock market, according to Jim Cramer. So remember the video I made about Jim Cramer? September will be a good month and October will be a bad month. We'll see what happens. Apple is green. Apple is, I have put options on Apple, but I believe that if the market continues to fall, Apple will fall with the market. Because Apple is really connected to the main market, so if it falls, it continues to fall. So I think Apple is going to go down with it. Tesla stock is down. Went up. Oh yeah, there was news with Tesla. Tesla news. Tesla is buying a computer vision startup. Deep Scale report. So you know, that's kind of interesting. So, you know, increase the artificial intelligence in the science team. Beyond Meat is down. This is good. I would love to buy a call option on it. I'm gambling for its earnings. I think earnings is gonna pop the stock. Bitcoin is neutral. Not too much to say about that. Ethereum has been neutral for a past couple days. Hive fell 2 cents today. I hope Hive go back to 20 cents. I would love to be picking up some shares of Hive. Some more shares of Hive if it goes back to 20 cents. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.